Alright, so we took the floorboards out of the dinghy. Just kind of checking it out. Are you going to try to work on that patch again at some point?
I mean, we're not going to be using it for quite some time, probably, like until we get a different way to figure out especially not with the cold.
So this is the only part that doesn't remove. Alright, it's Friday in Stewart. Just out taking a walk today on the path. Kind of did a loop around Stewart. Took the boardwalk down the river and then through town. Stopped and saw Kelly at Honey, and yeah, now I'm just walking. It's definitely calm today. Yesterday we had some wind and it was cooler, but this is all kind of the calm before the big blow is gonna come in tomorrow. So alright, so it's clouding up. We got rain coming in, or at least cold. Kelly's getting these bobbles off. It's still pretty calm out. Just starting to sprinkle a little bit. Wind just started picking up a little bit. Yep, it's gonna be a rock and roll night out there. So there's our boat right there. So I don't know if you can see, but that direction is northwest, and so all the wind is going to be coming this way, which means all that water is going to make big waves and just going to make it all nasty out there. So that's what we're getting into this evening. All right, our winter tropical storm prep is continuing. Got the bimini cover down, so we'll pretty much leave the panels laying like this. They're still connected to the bimini cover, which is fairly heavy. We might tie a couple lines through the rail there, but then this frame we can lift up. We got all of our fenders up. Got our kayaks up. Our ladder up. Anchors are tied. Got a little bounce protector there for that panel. Yep, I'm wearing my windbreaker. Again, it's not too bad right now, but definitely see around the anchorage people are tying up, getting ready. So likely the wind, like I said, will be coming from that way, northwest, or if I've been watching the numbers move a little bit, we might get more from the west, which means it would only fetch from like that far. So that would be our best circumstance. But yep, I don't think our tomato plants are gonna make it. Yep. Right, it's almost 4 o'clock. Wind is still coming from the west generally. The sun did come out, which is interesting. Didn't really expect that today. It's got the alright, so we're about 13 knots right now. Let's see what it gets up to tonight. Definitely swinging a little bit, but kind of see how the boat wants to drift back and forth. Looks like we're gusting up to 18. All right. It's about dark. There's a big old moon. I'm gonna give away. Say hi to the camera, Kelly.
Oh, hi.
This is where we live today.